In the dark forests of 15th century Wallachia, a prince ruled with terrifying cruelty. Known as Vlad the Impaler, he inspired fear across Europe not only for his battles, but for the horrific punishments he inflicted on his enemies. Today, centuries later, legends claim his castle is haunted by the spirits of those he impaled, and some even whisper that Vlad himself cannot rest, seeking revenge from beyond the grave. Born in 1431, Vlad III earned the name the Impaler, for his gruesome method of punishing enemies. Tens of thousands were said to have met their end on wooden stakes. But Vlad was also a fierce defender of Wallachia, battling the Ottoman Empire. His cruelty, cunning, and ruthlessness made him a figure of horror and fascination, both in his lifetime and for centuries after. Vlad's alleged residence, Bran Castle, stands on a cliff in Romania, overlooking dense, dark forests. Locals and visitors have reported strange and terrifying experiences inside its stone walls. Some hear screams echoing through empty halls. Shadows of tormented souls reportedly wander the corridors at night. Others feel cold touches or sudden chills, as if unseen hands are brushing past them. Legend says these are the spirits of Vlad's victims, trapped by the horrors they endured, while Vlad's own spirit haunts the castle, seeking vengeance on those who disrespect his name. Countless stories have emerged over the centuries. A visitor claimed to see a figure in black armor impaling a phantom in the courtyard, but found no one there. Guards have reported chains dragging across empty hallways, echoing the cries of prisoners long dead. Tourists speak of footsteps, whispers, and doors slamming shut for no reason. Whether it's the result of imagination, lingering fear, or genuine supernatural activity, Bran Castle keeps Vlad's terrifying legacy alive. But how did Vlad the Impaler meet his end? His death in 1476 is as gruesome and mysterious as his life. Historical accounts differ. Some say he was killed in battle defending Wallachia from the Ottomans. Others claim he was assassinated by his own boyars, betrayed by those he trusted. His body was never definitively found, which only fueled legends that his spirit continues to roam the forests and the castle, seeking revenge on anyone who dares disturb his resting place. Vlad the Impaler's story is a chilling reminder of history's darkest figures, men whose cruelty leaves scars not only on the living but, some say, on the dead as well. Bran Castle still draws visitors worldwide, some searching for history, others for the thrill of the haunted. But one thing is certain, the legend of Vlad the Impaler endures a tale of horror, power, betrayal, and revenge that refuses to die. If you enjoyed this journey into history's darker side, like, share, and subscribe for more spine-chilling stories from the past.